Midland's premium range of garden hose fittings, engineered for durability and performance. Crafted from high-quality brass, these fittings are designed to withstand temperature variations from 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit and operate seamlessly at a working pressure of up to 75 psi. Each fitting features precise thread measurements, ensuring a perfect fit. Our male garden hose threads are 3/4 inch with an outside diameter of 1.0625 and 11.5 threads per inch, ensuring a tight and secure connection. Compatibility is key. That's why our fittings come with both female garden hose and male garden hose threads, including options for lead-free configurations. For added reliability, all female connector ends are designed to house a rubber washer, ensuring a leak-free usage. Compliant with environmental standards, our lead-free garden hose fittings guarantee safety and sustainability. Midland Industries, secure connections that last. Equip your garden with the best, because every detail matters.